Are your financial constraints a roadblock in your success? Do you have a passion to develop an online business? If your answer is yes, like a million others hustling in the market for that glorious future, this is your place to get started. Too many people think they need a pile of cash to be an entrepreneur. That's BS, plain and simple. Business isn't a matter of money anymore. A right mindset and determination are all that you need. In this video, I'm going to break down 10 killer online business ideas that you can start with little to no investment. So buckle up, get ready to hustle, and let's crush this. Let's kick things off with a classic freelance writing and editing. If you've got away with words, this is your jam. Businesses are starving for good content, websites, blog posts, social media captions, you name it. All you need is a laptop, a decent internet connection, and the ability to string together a sentence that doesn't make people's eyes bleed. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are like your digital storefront. Put yourself out there, build a portfolio of your work, and watch the clients roll in. Love cooking? Write about food? Obsessed with gaming? Become a gaming journalist. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a sustainable business doing something you actually enjoy. The better you're writing, the more clients you'll get, and the more money you'll make. Hone your craft, learn the ropes of SEO, and watch your words turn into cold, hard cash. Look around. The world is going remote. Businesses everywhere need organized, reliable people to handle the day-to-day chaos. That's where virtual assistants come in, the behind-the-scenes heroes of the online world. Think about it. Email management, scheduling appointments, booking travel, social media management. These are all tasks that can be done remotely. If you're good with people, detail-oriented, and can manage your time like a boss, this could be your calling. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are overflowing with businesses looking for reliable VAs. Identify your skills. What are you really good at? Maybe you're a social media whiz or a master scheduler. Create a killer profile that highlights your skills and experience and start pitching yourself to potential clients. Be responsive, be reliable, and go above and beyond for your clients. Let's talk about e-commerce, baby. You know it's booming, right? But maybe you're thinking, I don't have products to sell, I don't have a warehouse, this isn't for me. Wrong. Dropshipping is your secret weapon. You create an online store, find awesome products from suppliers, and list them on your site. When a customer buys, the supplier handles the shipping directly to them. Platforms like Shopify make setting up an online store easier than ever. They integrate seamlessly with dropshipping services like Oberlo and AliExpress, where you can find millions of products to sell. Find a niche, build a brand, and market the heck out of your store. Social media is your best friend here. Dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes work, but the potential is massive. Chapter 4. Affiliate Marketing. Turn your influence into income. Listen up, influencers. You've got a following, you've got people who trust your recommendations. It's time to monetize that influence with affiliate marketing. It's all about promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale you drive. Find a company or product you love, sign up for their affiliate program, and get a unique link to share. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you get a cut. The key to success with affiliate marketing is authenticity. Choose things you genuinely believe in and that align with your audience's interests. Amazon Associates is a great place to start. They have millions of products you can promote. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships, provide honest reviews, and only promote products you genuinely believe in. Do that, and you'll be raking in those sweet, sweet commissions in no time. Chapter 5. Online tutoring or course creation. Share your knowledge, bank the profits. You've got a skill, a passion, some serious knowledge bombs to drop. It's time to become an online educator. The world is your classroom, and students are hungry for what you've got. Platforms like Zoom and Skype make it easier than ever to connect with students worldwide. Whether you're a math whiz, a language guru, or a musical maestro, there's someone out there who needs your guidance. Set your rates, create a schedule, and start marketing your services. Now, if you're ready to scale up, it's time to create your own online course. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable make it super simple to package your knowledge into bite-sized modules, complete with videos, worksheets, and quizzes. Creating a course takes time and effort, but the payoff can be huge. You're building a passive income stream that can generate revenue for years to come. Plus, you're making a real impact by sharing your knowledge and empowering others. Chapter 6, Social Media Management. Become the voice behind the brand. Listen up, social media mavens. Businesses are desperate for your skills. They know they need a strong online presence, but they're drowning in the ever-changing algorithms and trends of the digital world. If you live and breathe Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn, you've got a goldmine of opportunity at your fingertips. Businesses need your help to craft engaging content, build a loyal following, and drive traffic to their websites. Build a portfolio of your work, showcasing your ability to create engaging content and grow online communities. Network like crazy, reach out to local businesses, connect with entrepreneurs online, and let people know you're open for business. Become an invaluable asset to your clients and watch your business and your rates soar. Ever dream of having your own clothing line, selling quirky mugs or designing phone cases that make people stop and stare? Well, wake up, because Print on Demand is here to make those dreams a reality. You create the designs, and platforms like Printful and Printify handle the rest. They print your designs on demand, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, tote bags, you name it, and ship them directly to your customers. No inventory, no upfront costs, just pure creative freedom. Develop unique designs that people will actually want to buy. Think about your target audience, current trends, and what makes your style stand out from the crowd. Create an online store using platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or even your own website. Connect your store to your chosen print-on-demand service, and boom, you're in business. Market, market, market. Social media is your best friend here. Showcase your designs, run targeted ads, collaborate with influencers. Get creative and get those sales rolling in. Think blogging is dead? Think again. It's alive and well, and it's a fantastic way to build a business around your passions. Whether you're a foodie, a travel junkie, a tech geek, or a personal finance guru, there's an audience out there eager to hear what you have to say. Choose a niche you're genuinely passionate about. Your enthusiasm will shine through in your writing and attract a loyal following. Choose a blogging platform. WordPress is a popular choice, offering flexibility and customization options. Set up your blog, choose a theme, and start creating high-quality content that provides value to your readers. Consistency is key. Post regularly, engage with your audience in the comments, and promote your blog on social media. Building a community takes time and effort, but it's incredibly rewarding. Monetizing your blog takes time, but there are plenty of options. Affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, display ads, selling your own products or services. Explore your options and find what works best for you. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then a video is worth 1,000,000. YouTube is the world's second largest search engine, and it's a goldmine of opportunity for anyone with a camera and a story to tell. What are you passionate about? Gaming, cooking, beauty, travel, tech reviews, comedy? The possibilities are endless. Choose a niche, develop a content strategy, and start filming. Don't worry about having a fancy camera or professional editing skills right out of the gate. Authenticity is key on YouTube. Use your phone, edit with free software, and focus on creating engaging content that provides value to your viewers. Consistency is crucial. Upload regularly, optimize your videos for search, and engage with your viewers in the comments. Building a loyal subscriber base takes time and effort, but it's so worth it. Once you hit a certain number of subscribers and watch hours, you can enable ads on your videos. You can also explore sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own merchandise. In the vast digital landscape, everyone's vying for attention. Businesses are clamoring to get their websites to the top of the search results, and that's where you come in. The SEO consultant, the website whisperer. If you understand the intricacies of search engine optimization, you've got a highly sought-after skill set. Businesses need your help to optimize their websites, improve their search engine rankings, and drive organic traffic their way. Start by mastering the fundamentals of SEO keyword research, on-page optimization, link building, and technical SEO. Tools like SEMrush and RFs are your secret weapons. Use them to analyze websites, track keywords, and spy on the competition. Network online and offline, offer free website audits, and showcase your expertise through case studies and testimonials. Stay ahead of the curve, deliver tangible results for your clients, and watch your consulting business flourish. There you have it. 10 killer online business ideas that won't break the bank. Starting an online business with low investment in 2025 is more accessible than ever. The key is to choose an idea that aligns with your skills and interests. Start small, hustle hard, and be patient. Building a successful business takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of heart. So what are you waiting for? Choose your path, take action, and let's crush this entrepreneurial game together.